Now I'm going to walk you through step 3, right? That's to deploy color challenge game to AWS S3 bucket. So let's follow the step one by one. So under step 3, right? So first we have to create a project repository. So let's open VS Code, and now as I instructed you, what you have to do is you have to go to terminal and create a new terminal. Now from the terminal, let's run this code. Now we are in desktop. From there, let's create the color challenge code directory. Now it's created, so let's go to the directory cd color challenge code. Right now we are inside this folder. This is the first step. So after doing that, let's log into the Pulumi by running Pulumi login. Now we are logged in. Now initialize a new Pulumi project using AWS and Python as the step. So let's copy this code and run it here. Right, so if you want to give a project name, you can give the name, otherwise you can just leave it. So I'm going to skip all. So now it creates the virtual environment, so it will take a couple of minutes, so I'm going to skip the video. Now the virtual environment has been finished. Now let's go to the next step. So now we need to configure AWS CLI credentials. So to do that, let's run AWS configure. So in step 2, we created AWS IAM user. So under that we created access ID and secret access ID. So I'm going to use that. These are very sensitive information, so please make sure to remove the one you create after doing this demo. So I will definitely remove this too, right? So you can skip other steps. Now we have added AWS configure details, particularly AWS access key and AWS secret access key, which now is available with our VS Code. So using this, the Pulumi will be able to access AWS services. Now let's open up the project to the workspace, so it is easy for us to add and modify the files. So to do so, let's go to File, add folder to workspace, or click it. Yes. And I can see our project has been added to the workspace. So now I can adjust this one. Right. So now if we open up this main.py file, so we have the default code here that is over here. Now instead of this code, what we are going to do is we are going to copy this code and paste it, or rather you can download the same code from here as well, from the project repository. So now just select all and paste it, and make sure to save it. Now what we need to do is we need to move the www folder from GitHub repository to our color challenge game project directory. So to do that, you can download zip, now it is downloaded. You can just drag and move the folder here. So I'm now extracting the file here. So here we have all the entire file. We just need www folder. So I'm just copying the folder and just I'm moving the folder here. So I will remove this file. Right. Now we have copied the www folder. This is our website file, right? So I have now we have copied the file inside the color challenge code folder for project directory, right? Now if you look at the workspace, you can see our folder structure is perfect. Now we are ready to deploy the project. So prior to that, let's preview our deployment. So using Pulumi preview, we can deploy what's going to happen or what are the resources will be created. Pulumi preview. All the resources that are going to be created. Now without further ado, let's run Pulumi up. So if everything is fine, we can deploy the infrastructure using this simple code Pulumi up. So let's type it and hit enter. So hopefully it will take a couple of minutes. So I'm going to pause the video. Now we will be prompted with this option. So let's select yes and hit enter. As now Pulumi deployment has been finished. So now you can see the output. So we wanted to generate the output using this, so that we can get the URL to access our website. So you can see here it's a CloudFront URL and also this S3 bucket URL, and also it has taken around 6 minutes, right? So let me copy this URL and let's see this. Yeah, it works, right? So let's play this. Yeah, so it's perfect, right? Now it's over. That's all, right? So if you want to destroy all the resources that you are creating using Pulumi, you can follow this code, right? I'm not going to run this, but if you want to destroy everything, you can just run Pulumi destroy. It will remove all the resources that are provisioned by Pulumi. And also if you want to remove the record from Pulumi account, you can also run this code. After running this Pulumi destroy, you can run Pulumi stack rm. It will also remove all the stacks that are created in Pulumi account, right? That's all. Thank you.